Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson. I want to walk you through a 2021 Harris. This is the Harris 250 Cruiser. So the Cruiser is an excellent option for people that don't want to spend hundreds of thousands of dollars on a pontoon. So the Cruiser, this is a tri-tune. This has the Performance 2 package, so a little bit of an upgrade to this package. We've got the nice docking lights up here. And then as we walk down, I can kind of show you, you can see it has the nice sterling gray with a black accent on it. So we come back again, Cruiser 250, 25 feet long. You're always going to see a Mercury on the back of the Harris. So this is a Mercury, this is a 200 horsepower 4-stroke. So plenty of power to do tubing, skiing, wakeboarding, you know, kind of whatever you want to do with the family. We did get, with that package, you do get the ski tow bar. So you can hook up right up there and pull everybody that you need. Let's go take a look at the interior, the layouts, and all the other options. All right, welcome to the interior. Want to show you first, this is a new color this year. They call this a moonlight gray. So kind of a nice lighter gray. It looks amazing. We really like it. The layout here, this is called the SL, so single lounger. You can sit forward. This does make some adjustments. I'll show you that in a second. But we've got some nice storage in the single lounger. So along with sitting back here, you've got some great storage. You can never have enough storage in the pontoons. And then on the other side, we've got a cooler. So you can put some ice in there, has a drain, and you're good to go for the day. We've got cup holders over there. We've got a USB for hookup to a phone or whatever you have electronically. The backrest is facing obviously forward, so you can sit that way. You can also lift it up, and I can face to the rear if you'd like. And then actually has one more where it can go all the way down, so you can lay all the way down if you'd like. So this goes all the way back up. I've got some storage underneath here, and you can see it has the cover in there. We've got some batteries with a battery switch in there. You've got some storage here. You've got a garbage can underneath here. I got some cup holders over here. And then this year for the cup holders, they did put some USBs in there as well. As we come up to the helm, we've got the nice high back helm seat. You've got armrests on both sides that go up and down. And then this does recline forward and back. Super comfortable seat, really nice. It does spin all the way around if you want to. The helm was completely redesigned for 2021. We've got the nice steering wheel. You've got some gauges up here. We did add the Lowrance hook. So the Lowrance is going to give you GPS, it's going to give you depth, and it also has a fish finder in it as well. You got some other controls up here. And because it's a 200 horsepower, we've got the digital throttle. So digital throttle is just super simple to move back and forth and control your boat. They kind of made a nice little tray up here for maybe some keys or whatever. It also, we incorporated the wireless phone charger. So just throw your phone on here and it'll wirelessly charge. We've got the Fusion stereo. This is a standard stereo system in the Harris's. You got Bluetooth. You can hook it up to your phone. You got 4 speakers in this particular pontoon. I've got storage down in here. And then something I want to show you here, this is something new for 2021, is this is an extra wide door. And the reason they did that is to accommodate anybody that might be in a wheelchair. So it is wheelchair accessible to get onto this pontoon from the side. Because it's 25 feet long, you've got people and storage galore. So it's kind of really nice to have. All these storage areas have hinges on them, so you can lift them up and you've got storage underneath. You've got cup holders. Bring all your friends because there's plenty of space. There's a table included. There's a cover. You've got a bimini above, a 12-foot bimini. We've got everything you need in this particular pontoon. So come on down to MarineMax of Rogers or give us a call to set up an appointment. We'd love to show you this boat and any others that we have here available to get you ready to go for this summer. So give us a call, set up an appointment, and as always, please click the like button if you like this video and click to subscribe to see all the videos that we're putting out every day.